Good afternoon, girls. How are you all? I hope that you are all fine. Good evening, dear. So, today we will continue our lesson that we started yesterday. I'm fine, thank you, Maria. So, girls, today we will continue our lesson about rational numbers. So, please bring your books, open your books on page 153. Hello, girls. Hello, everyone. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you, Jenna. So yesterday we stopped on this example, and today we will continue on page 153. Graph the number on the horizontal, number 9. So let's start today to put those numbers or locate the numbers on the number line. So the first number is negative 2.25. This is a decimal number, of course, so that means this is a rational number. I told you yesterday which is there is a number, this is a decimal number. I want to know this number is between which two numbers. So 2.25, of course it's greater than 2. That means it will be between 2 and 3, right? Because 2.25 or negative 2.25, this is a negative integer or negative rational number. Negative rational number, that means this number will be on the right or the left side of 0. Of course, it's greater than negative 2, that means it will be more than negative 2 and less than negative 3. Okay? So it will be between negative 2 and negative 3. Okay, negative 2 and negative 3. Where I have to locate negative 2.25, look here, the distance between 2 and 3 divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, what? 4 parts, right? 4 parts. So each part will be what? Each part, okay, I will write it here. Up. Each part here, each little part, this little part will be what? Will be 0.25. That means this is 0.25. You remember how to locate decimal number on the number line. And this is 0.5. Then this point is 0.75. Okay, I will write it here. This one will be 0.75. Okay, this part or this number. So I have negative 2 and 25. That means the decimal point will be after 2. I have to jump from 0 to 2. This is 2. And as I said yesterday, I have to jump also from here, from here to here, from this point to this point. This is, or this number, or this here, I will draw it with another color, with red color. This is, or this here, this is 0 point or negative 2.25. So look, it's closer to the integer. Which integer? It's close to which integer? Negative 2 or negative 3? Of course, it's close to negative 2, as I said on the number line. Okay, so this is about exercise number 1. Exercise number 2, I want to locate what? Negative 1 and 5/8. Negative 1 and 5/8. Don't talk to your friend on private, please. Negative 1 and 5/8. Here I have a mixed number. This mixed number consists of a whole and a fraction. This mixed number is a negative rational number. That means this number must be on the left side of 0. That means in this part. I have 1 and 5/8. First thing, I have to jump on the number line 1 or -1 until here. Then I have to jump 5/8. Okay, I will do it again. This is -1. What about 5/8? 5/8, I have here to locate 5/8 on the number line. This number will be between -1 and -2. 5/8, it will be where? On the number line. Look, the number line, or the distance between 1 and 2 is divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to divide this distance into 8 equal parts, so you can divide each part here, each small part, divided it like this in the middle. Okay, now count the number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 parts now between 1 and 2. I want 5/8. That means I want to take 5 parts of 8 parts. So I have to count 5 parts of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this is 5/8 at this point. Selma, write your question on the chat, please. So this is the number here. Okay, -1 and 5/8. Okay, if you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, let's move to number 3. Number 3, I want to locate 1/2. Very easy. 1/2 on the number line. 1/2 is without any sign, means this is a positive integer. Rational number. That means this number must be on the left side of 0. Okay, 1/2 means I have number between 0 and 1. This is a fraction between 0 and 1. Where is 1/2? I have to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 2 equal parts. So I have to divide this is the first one. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, this is 1 and this is 2. So where is 1/2? In the middle. This is 1/2. Okay. Okay, very easy. And now we will repeat the mixed number, Selma and Jenna. Now we will repeat the mixed number again, so you will understand it, inshallah. Now also I think you finished number 3, right? Just locate the numbers on the number line. Now let's move to number 4. Okay, now we will do those exercises on vertical number line. I think, okay, welcome Selma. Now we will do another examples, and now you will see how we will do mixed number again. Girls, if you don't have a space, I think you don't have a space in the book, so please bring a paper, ruler, and you can draw number line and with me, and then how to locate number line, or how to locate the numbers or rational numbers on the number line. First one, number 4. Of course, he asked me here to do a vertical number line, so I have to draw a vertical number line like this. The up will be positive rational numbers, and in down will be negative rational numbers. This is 0 in the middle. 0.6, 0.6. This is a decimal number. This decimal number is less than 1, less than whole. That means this number is positive. Rational number will be up. Okay, I have to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into here into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if you want. This is 1, 2, this is 0 here in the middle. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.6, if I want to divide the number line into 6 equal parts, or into 10 equal parts, like this, those little lines. Okay, those small lines. Now count the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 parts between 0 and 1, so you have to count 6 because you have 6 tenths. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the number 0.6. So you have to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 6 equal parts. Another number line, if you want, you can draw one number line and locate all the numbers. Now we will do it on the same number line if you want. Now 1.25. 1.25, this is a decimal number with a whole. Of course, I have negative 1.25. That means this number will be down. According to the 0 on the vertical number line. Negative 1.25. Okay, I want you to help me, Jenna, but let's see, Jenna. Yes, Jenna. Open your mic.
Teacher.
Yes. Could you please help me and tell me negative 1.25, it will be between two numbers. Which two numbers? Between
1.
Yes, and negative.
-2.
Very good. Negative 1 and negative 2.
Negative 2.
Yes. Now I want to locate this number. I think you can't help me with this, so I will do it. Thank you, Jenna. Negative 1 and negative 2. Yes. Now the number will be after negative 2. Look, the distance between negative 1 and negative 2, I have to divide it 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 parts. Okay? 5 parts. If you want to locate negative 1 and 25.25, so it will be, this is the distance, this is the middle, or this is 1.2, it will be after 0.2 with in the middle here. Okay, girls? So this is the distance for 1 here, or negative 1. After that, I have to count here each distance between 2 points is 0.2. Each distance between 2 points is 0.2. I want 0.25. 25, that's mean after this one. Okay, I will do it again. After 0.2, it will be here. After 0.2, not on 0.2 in the middle here. No, after it will be 0.25. Okay, this number will be negative 1.25. Okay, girls? If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. You can draw one number line and put all the numbers on the same number line. Okay? To follow me. Now let's move to number 5 and 6 and 7. I'm sorry, 6 and 7. Now I want to locate number negative 1 and 1/2. Now we have mixed number. I want you to focus with me. You ask me about mixed number. Mixed number is 1 and 1/2. That's mean I have to move 1 and 1/2. 1 and 1/2, but not in positive, in negative side. That's mean down, down. Okay, girls? Down. 1 and 1/2. That's mean from 0. I will start from 0 here. Okay? First thing, I have a whole number, 1. So I will jump from 0 to 1. This is the first jump. From 0 to 1. The second jump, I have 1/2. After 1 or negative 1, I have 1/2. 1/2 is a half. Right? That's mean it will be in the middle between negative 1 and negative 2. In the middle here. So I have to jump to the middle. This is 1/2. Okay? This is the number that represent negative 1 and 1/2. Okay, girls? You understand it? Now, first jump is 1. Second jump is 1/2. Now, number 7. This is not number 5. This is number 7. 0.3. 0.3 is a number between which two numbers, Asma?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, between which two numbers 0.3? It will be up or down. It will be up or down. Up or down?
Down and up,
positive or negative? This is a positive or negative number. This is a positive number. That means it will be up. Between which two numbers? Between
0 and 1.
Very good. Thank you so much, Asma. So it will be between 0 and 1 because this is a decimal number less than a whole. That means less than 1. And of course it's greater than 0. How I will locate 0.3? Of course on the number line. I have to divide the distance between 0 and 1. You can divide this distance into 10 equal parts. The easiest way if you want to locate decimal numbers is to divide the distance into 10 equal parts. If you divided it into 10, so like this, you have to count 3. Okay? If you divided it to 10 equal parts, you have to divide or you have to count 3. Like this, 10 equal parts, count 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the point which represents 0.3. Divide this distance into 10 equal parts and count 3. So you will locate 0.3 on the positive side for rational numbers. Now if you finish, girls, please type 1 in the chat. Okay, I will erase only this side. So number 8, negative 0.7 tenth, and I want to locate this number on the number line. Okay, yes, Lena, could you please tell me this number will be up or down on the vertical number line?
It's negative, so it will be down between 0 and 1.
Negative 1, very good. So thank you so much, Lena. It will be between 0 and negative 1. Also, you have a decimal number, girls. The easiest way is to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 10 equal parts. This is like this. Divide the numbers or the distance into 10 equal parts. So I will divide it into 10 equal parts. So the number will be where, let's see, from 0 I will count 7 down. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This point, okay? It will be negative 0.7. Okay? Now, what about number 9, 1.4? I want to locate this number on the number line. Of course, this is a decimal number. So, let's see. Yes, Selma, open your mic and tell me. This number will be up or down?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, this number will be up or down, Selma?
It's positive, so it will be down.
Again, positive will be up, of course. Between two numbers, could you please tell me the two numbers will be where?
Between 2 and 1?
Between 1 and 2, very good. That's correct. Thank you so much, Selma. So, as I said, this number will be between 1 and 2. The easiest way to locate the decimal number is to divide the distance between those two numbers into 10 equal parts and count 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This point represents the number 1/4. Up, of course, because this is a decimal. This is a positive decimal or positive, irrational number. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Raise your hand, please. If you want to answer, raise your hand. Okay. Now, negative 0.5 and negative 1/4. So I will do the first one. Yes, Rina, open your mic and tell me, negative 0.5 will be up or down?
Down.
Down, very good. Between two numbers, could you please tell me those two numbers?
Between 0 and negative 5. Negative 1, I mean.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Rina. Where I have to put or locate negative 0.5? I think Rina closed the mic. Negative 0.5, it's in the middle between 0 and 1 or negative 1 because this number is a half. That's mean, yes, Rina, very good. So it will be in the middle. Of course, it will be in the middle between those distance. Or you can, girls, divide the distance between 0 and negative 1 into 10 equal parts. That's mean you have to count 5 parts. Try it, or you can put it in the middle, so it will be negative, or this number will be negative 0.5. Now number 11. Negative 1/4. Yes, Joanna, please, I want you to tell me this number will be up or down in the vertical number line. Down. Between two numbers. Which two numbers?
0 and 1.
And negative 1. Very good. Close to which number?
1.
Close to. It will be close to 0. Now we will see how. Thank you so much, Joanna. Now, negative 1 over 4, girls. This is a fraction. As Joanna said, it will be down on the vertical number line. How I will locate 1 over 4? First thing, you can divide the number line into 4 equal parts. As we learned in the fraction, divide the number line into 4 equal parts. Then, like this, I will divide for you. Like this. Look at the blue number or the blue color. Okay, so I divide this distance into 4 equal parts. Okay, 1 over 4 means I have to move one part of 4 parts. This number or this point will be negative 1 over 4. So the easiest way to draw this number line or to know where is negative 1 over 4 is to divide the distance between 0 and negative 1 into 4 equal parts and to choose the first one. If you finish, please type 1 in the chat. Okay. Now, in this example, state whether the numbers are on the same or opposite sides of 0. Now, I want to know those numbers on the same side of 0 or in the opposite side. That means those two numbers are both numbers are on the right side or left side, or one will be right and one will be left. How I will know that? Who will tell me? How I will know that? Let's start with Lamar. Yes, Lamar. Number 12. Negative 1.38 and 2.9. Could you please tell me, Lamar, those numbers are up in the opposite sides or in the same side?
Opposite side.
Why?
Because 1.38 is negative.
Yes, and
2.9 it's positive.
very good. Thank you so much, Lamar. Your answer is correct and your explanation is correct. Because we have a negative and positive numbers, that's mean one will be left and one will be right. That's mean they will be on opposite sides. So opposite. Now number 13, negative 3 and 9 over 10 and negative 0.99. Let's see another, girls. Yes, Yusra, open your mic and tell me those numbers will be in the opposite sides or in the same side, and why? Again, please. Yusra?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Will be on the opposite or on the same side?
On the same side because they are both negative.
Very good. They are both negative. That's mean both numbers. Very good, Yusra. Both numbers are negative. That's mean both numbers will be on the left side of 0 if the number line is horizontally. If the number line is vertically, that's mean they will be down, both numbers. So both numbers are negative here. What about number 14, 5 over 6 and negative 4.713? Will be opposite on the opposite side or on the same side of 0? Who didn't answer? Yes, Rijan.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, will be on the opposite or on the same side, those numbers?
It will be on the opposite.
The opposite side. Thank you so much. Your answer is correct. Okay. will be in the opposite, because the same thing about number 12. Both numbers, those numbers, sorry, negative and positive, so they will be on the opposite side. Let's move to the last example. Did you finish, girls, this one? Did you finish? Please type 1 if you finish. Okay, let's move to the last example today. Is identify a decimal and a fraction in simplest form for a point. Okay, so first thing, I have to identify the decimal or fraction in each point here. So the number line here is written in decimal numbers. I have here points A, B, C, D, and I want to write each one or each number in each point here, starting with point A. Point A, what's the number in point A? Let's choose yes, Jenna, open your mic and tell me what's the number that represents a point A.
It's negative 1.0.
Very good, Jenna, your answer is correct. It's negative 1.0. So this is the number on this point, negative 1.0, or I can't write it, negative 1 only, without any decimal point, because the decimal point or the value of the decimal point is 0. Yes, Jenna also, what's the number on point B?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, what's the number on point B?
0.5.
This is B. Yeah.
Yes.
What's the number on point B? You can write it in decimal or fraction.
1.0.
No. Look, this is 0. And I have 0.5. And the 1, I didn't reach here the 1. The number will be between 0.5 and 1. Okay, Jenna, let's see. Tolene told me that you know the answer. Where's your name, Tolene? Raise your hand, please. Okay, Tolene. What's the number on point B?
Yes, teacher. In point B, the number it's already it's 1.
No. Again, no, it's not 1. Girls, please look at the here B, and the 1 right here. So B is not 1. I will tell you what the number on B point. On B point here, I have 0. If I want to write it as a decimal, or if I want to write it as a fraction. Now we will see if I want to write it as a fraction. As a fraction, the distance between 0 and 1 divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. And I jumped 1, 2, 3 parts of 4. That means the fraction is 3/4. This is the fraction on point B. What about the decimal? Each part between those points is 0.25. The distance between those 2 points is 0. I will write it for you. 0.25. This is the distance between each 2 points. That means if this is 0.5, add 0.25 to it, to this number, so it will be 0.75. What about point C? I will do it, girls, because we have only 1 minute. 1 minute I have. So C is where see here, between 0 and negative 0.5. In the middle, I told you the distance between each 2 points is 0.25. That means this number is the first number after 0 from the negative side. It will be 0.25, but in the negative. That means this is 0.25. If I want to write it as a fraction, it will be what? The distance between 0 and negative 1 is 4, the same thing, and I jump only 1 of 4. That means negative 1 over 4. What about the point D? Point D here, between in the negative side. That means the number will be negative. The number will be between negative 1 and negative 1.5. That means it will be in the middle between negative 1 and negative 1.5. The distance between 2 points will be 0.5. That means I have to add to 1 0.5. That means it will be negative 1.25. If I want to write it as a fraction here, it will be what? Negative 1. As we learned in the mixed number, this is negative 1. This is negative 1 here. This is negative 1 here. And after negative 1, I jumped 1 over 4. 1 part of 4 parts. That means the mixed number will be 1 and 1 over 4. The period is finished, girls. Thank you so much for attending today. Have a nice day. Don't forget to do the homework and send it for me. See you inshallah on Thursday. Bye.